Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify Cash App with a driver's license. All right, let's begin. Cash App uses identity verification to confirm that users are legitimate. Normally, this is done with a social security number, but if you don't have one, you can use alternative documentation like a driver's license. Without verification, your account is limited. You can receive money, but sending and withdrawing funds will be restricted. To verify with a driver's license, first open Cash App and go to your profile. Tap on Personal and then Verify Identity. When prompted, select Use Driver's License. Follow the steps to upload a clear image of the front and back of your license. Enter any additional requested details accurately. Once submitted, Cash App will process your verification. After approval, you will gain full access to all app features just as if you had used a social security number. So that's basically how you can verify Cash App with a driver's license. That's it for this video. Thanks.